Today I discuss about solar radiation geometry. Solar radiation geometry. Okay. Solar radiation geometry. First one, latitude. That is the angle of latitude or represented by phi. Latitude, or you may write down here angle of latitude. Phi. Okay. The latitude of a location on the Earth's surface is the angle made by the radial line joining the given location to the center of the Earth with its projection on the equator plane. Okay. So the first one is the latitude. Angle made by a radial line. Angle made by radial line. Angle made by radial line joining the given location joining the given location to the center of the Earth. To the center of the Earth. Okay. So to the center of the Earth with its projection on the equator plane. Projection on the equator plane. Okay. With its projection on the equator plane. Okay. That is the latitude or angle of latitude. If you draw the diagram, the latitude is positive for northern hemisphere and negative for southern hemisphere. Very important, this is positive for northern hemisphere. Okay, northern hemisphere, and positive for negative for southern hemisphere. Hemisphere. Okay, so positive for northern hemisphere and negative for southern hemisphere. Okay, if you draw the diagram, first one, if you draw, suppose, okay, sphere, and this is the this one, okay. So this is the observer's meridian. This is the equatorial plane. Okay, equatorial plane. This is the position of the, suppose this is the position of the observer, okay. Draw the line to the center. Okay, and this one is the Q. Okay, one is the P, another one is the Q, and this angle is equal to phi. Okay, and this angle is equal to phi. Okay, so this is the, here the angle is POQ, that is, this is the center radial line connected to the center. Okay, POQ, that is the latitude. Okay, angle of latitude or phi. Another one is the declination, delta. Declination, what is the definition of declination? Represented by delta. Declination as the angular displacement of the sun from the plane of the earth equator. Okay, angular displacement of the sun, angular displacement of the sun. Okay, angular displacement of the sun from the plane of the earth equator, from the plane of the earth equator. Okay, so angular displacement of the sun, from the plane of the earth equator. Okay, earth equator. So delta, it can be measured, actually delta, it is positive when measured above the equatorial line to the northern, in the northern hemisphere, and declination delta can be expressed in the following equation. Okay, delta is equal to 23.45. Okay, 23.45 multiplied by sine 360 by 365. Okay, 360 by 65, 284 plus n degree. Okay, 284 plus n degree. Degree, 284 plus n degree. Okay, where n is the day of the year counted from 1st January. Okay, n is the day of the year from the 1st January. Okay, day of the year counted from the 1st January. Okay, delta, if you draw the diagram, suppose this is the sun, draw a line, this is the earth equatorial line. Okay, another one, if you draw, okay, draw this and this one, and the center this one. Okay, so that is the equatorial plane. Equatorial plane. Okay, equatorial plane. Another one is the, this is the delta. This one, this angle is represented by delta. Okay, delta, that is the ns. Okay, okay. Another one is the next one is the hour angle. Hour angle at any moment is the angle through which the earth must turn to bring the meridian of the observer directly in line with the sun rays. Okay, our angle okay, our angle at any moment is the angle through which angle through which the earth must turn to bring the meridian of the observer directly in line with the sun's rays. With the sun rays. Okay, directly with the line with the directly in lines with the sun's rays. Okay. Another one thing, this one, if you draw the diagram, suppose this one is the horizontal line. If you draw it, this one is the solar time. Solar time 18.00 means 6 evening, 6 p.m. and that is the 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Okay, 6 a.m. and that is this one is the omega is equal to minus 45 degree. Okay, minus 45. So afternoon plus value, okay, afternoon plus value and forenoon minus value. Forenoon minus value. Okay, that is the 9 a.m. Okay, that is the 9 a.m. Okay, 6 hour. So that is the hour angle. Okay, another one thing after that, in other words, at any moment it is the angular displacement of the sun towards east or west of the local meridian. Okay, angular movement of the sun, you may write down here, angular movement of the sun. Okay, angular movement of the sun. Okay, omega, it can be calculated. Omega is equal to solar time minus 12 in hours. Solar time minus 12 in hours into 15 degree. Into 15 degree. Okay, in hours. Inclination angle means altitude. Inclination angle. Inclination angle, that is the altitude, represented by alpha. Okay, the angle between the sun's ray and its projection on the horizontal surface is known as the inclination angle. Okay, is known as the inclination angle. So the first one is the angle between the sun's ray, angle between the sun's ray, angle between the sun's ray and its projection on a horizontal surface, and its projection on a horizontal surface. Okay, projection on a horizontal surface. Okay, horizontal surface is known as the inclination angle. Okay, inclination angle. If you draw the diagram, first one, if you draw the diagram, first one, if you, this is the horizontal plane. Okay, horizontal plane, and this is the west and east horizontal plane, horizontal plane. Okay, and that is the north south. Okay, north south direction, and that is the sun, position of the sun here, position of the sun, here. Okay, that is the position of the sun, and perpendicular, if you draw the perpendicular. Okay, if you draw the perpendicular, okay, draw the perpendicular, that is the alpha. Okay, that is the alpha, and that is the P point, and this one is the Q. Okay, and that is the sun's ray. Okay, sun's ray, and that is the alpha. This one is the gamma A. Okay, this one is the gamma A. So sun's, another one is the, first one is the inclination angle between the sun's ray and its projection on the horizontal surface. Okay, sun's ray and its projection on the horizontal surface. This is the projection, and this angle is represented by alpha. Another one is the zenith angle, that is the theta z, zenith angle. This is the normal to the horizontal, that is the normal to the horizontal, that is the sun's ray, theta z. Okay, normal to the horizontal, sun's ray. Okay, so another one is the zenith angle, represented by theta z. Okay, zenith angle represented by theta z. It is the angle between the sun's ray and the perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Sun's ray and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Okay, angle between the sun's ray and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Okay, sun's ray and perpendicular to the horizontal plane. Another one is the solar azimuth angle, gamma s. Solar azimuth angle, solar gamma s, solar azimuth angle. Okay, solar azimuth angle, it is the angle on the horizontal plane between the line due south and the projection of the sun's ray on the horizontal plane. It is taken positive when measured from south toward west. Okay, তাহলে angle on a horizontal plane between the angle on a horizontal plane between the angle on a horizontal plane between the line due south and the projection of the sun's ray on the horizontal plane and the projection on the projection of the sun's ray on the horizontal. On the horizontal. Okay, on the horizontal. That is the solar azimuth angle. That is the gamma s. This one is the gamma s. Okay, angle on a horizontal plane between the line due south. Okay, due south and the projection of the sun's ray on the horizontal. Is due south and projection of the sun's ray on the horizontal. Okay, this is the solar azimuth angle. Okay, another one angle is the slope or tilt angle. Okay, slope or tilt angle beta. Slope angle or tilt angle, slope angle, tilt angle beta. It is the angle between the inclined plane surface under consideration and the horizontal. Okay, slope or tilt angle. Slope or tilt angle theta. Slope or tilt angle represented by beta. Okay, beta. It is the angle between the inclined plane surface. Angle between the inclined plane surface and angle between the inclined plane surface and and the horizontal. Okay. Another one is the surface azimuth angle. Angle in the horizontal plane between the line of the south. Okay, between the line due south and the horizontal projection of the normal to the inclined plane surface. Okay, inclined plane surface. So there, if you draw the diagram, horizontal, this one, this is the, if you draw this one, this is the west east, north south. Okay, west east, north south, and if you draw the prismatic bar, this one, okay, this one. So this is the inclined surface. This one is the inclined surface. This one is the inclined surface. Okay, this one is the inclined surface, horizontal plane. Horizontal plane, inclined surface. Another one is the horizontal plane. Okay, so this angle is a beta. This one is the beta. This one, that is the beta. Okay, this one is the beta. This one is the, so one is the sun's ray. Okay, normal to the surface. Is a normal to the surface, sun's ray. Okay, so this angle is equal to gamma. Okay, this one. Okay, this angle is equal to gamma. That is the, if you draw, this is the center. Okay, this angle is equal to gamma. Okay. Okay, so this one is equal to, first one, the sun's, first one is the solar azimuth angle, slope angle, surface azimuth angle, gamma. It is the angle in the horizontal plane between the line, surface azimuth angle. Surface azimuth angle represented by gamma. Okay, angle in the horizontal plane between the line due south, between the line due south, between the line due south and the horizontal projection of the normal, and the horizontal projection of the normal to the inclined plane surface. Okay, horizontal projection of the normal. Okay, horizontal projection of the normal to the inclined plane surface, to the inclined plane surface. Okay, inclined plane surface. Okay, horizontal projection of the normal to the inclined plane surface. Angle of incidence, angle between the sun's ray incident on the plane surface and the normal to that surface. Okay, angle of incidence, angle of incidence, angle of incidence represented by theta t, angle of incidence. Okay, angle between the sun's ray incident angle between the sun's ray incident on the plane surface and the normal to the surface, and the normal to the